Good morning, children. Today we are going to start Mia Maths new chapter, chapter number 8, and the name of this chapter is Measurement of Mass or Weight. So children, another name of mass is weight. Okay children. So exercise 1, it is given tick the heaviest, ring the lightest and cross the rest. So see children, in first number it is given a pick and it has done for you, like football, ice cream, telephone and chair. So children, we have to tick the heaviest one. We have ticked. So here chair is the heaviest, so we have ticked chair, and it is said we have to tick circle the lightest. So ice cream is the lightest, we have circle the lightest thing, and we have to cross the rest. So these two left we have already crossed. So this one is done for you. Next one, see 4 examples are there: cat, squirrel, butterfly and sparrow. So heaviest one is cat, so we have ticked it, and lightest is butterfly, we have circled it. Here squirrel and sparrow is rest, so we have crossed it. Next one is horse, book, kite and bird. Here horse is the heaviest, so we have ticked it, and kite is the lightest, so we have circled it, and book and this sparrow, a kind of bird which is rest, which is called here rest, we have crossed it. Then again lamp, watch, apple and ice, we can say it. Okay, so we can eraser. So here heaviest is lamp, we have ticked it, and lightest is eraser, we have circled it, and watch and apple we have crossed it. The next one is cap, bat, key and Coke bottle. So here heaviest is bat, we have ticked it, and lightest is hat, we have crossed it, and these two are rest, so we have crossed it. Here chair, pen, toy and a jug. Here heaviest is chair and lightest is pen, we have circled it, and other one we have to cut. The next one is pencil, banana, book and table. So here table is the heaviest, we have ticked it, and pencil is the lightest, so we have circled it, and banana and book is rest, we have crossed it. The next one is car, cap, bag, suitcase bag and torch. Here car is the heaviest, we have ticked it, and birthday cape is the lightest, we have circled it, and these two are rest. Hope children you have understood this exercise 1. Now you see, we use a balance to measure weight of objects. So children, this is known as beam balance. Okay, with help of this we can weight two things which is equal. We can see is this equal or not. While weighing, the pan of the balance which goes downward contains the heavier object, and the pan which contains the lighter objects. If the weight on both of the pan are equal, then the pan will remain at the same level. Suppose children, here we are putting one, we are keeping one apple, and here we are keeping one eraser. So apple one will be heavier, it will go down, and this eraser it is lighter, so this beam balance will go up. So this side will move downward. Okay, so like you can see some example. Here is an example of pencil is lighter than a apple. You can see pencil and apple, and pencil is lighter than a apple is heavier than a pencil. The next one, book is heavier than a banana is lighter than a book. The next, apple and balloon and ball. Balloon is lighter than a ball is heavier than a balloon. The next one is lock is heavier than the key, and key is lighter than the lock. Here lock and key is there children, in which lock always it is on the heavier side and key is in the lighter side. The next one is pencil and pen have equal weight. You can see here pencil and pen have equal weight. So children, you have to remember that this is a balance, BIM balance, in which if we are keeping anything, like I have given you example here of apple and pencil. Pencil is lighter and apple is heavier. Apple is heavier. That was this side it will go down, and this pencil is lighter, so this side will go upward. Now exercise 2. Write heavier or lighter in the box. So children, by seeing you can come to know that apple is heavier than banana. Banana is lighter than apple. Okay children, the next one, cup. Cup and pencil. Cup is heavier than pencil. Pencil is lighter than cup. The next one is cap and book. Book is heavier than cap and cap is lighter than book. Exercise B, fill in the boxes. You can see children here banana and book is there. So book is heavier than banana. It is asking which side it is heavier and which side it is lighter. So book is heavier than banana. Banana is lighter than book. The next one, bat and football. Bat is heavier than football. Football is lighter than bat. The next one, watch and torch. Torch is heavier than watch. Watch is lighter than torch. Let us find the weight of different things using different objects. Here the book weight same as 3 bananas. So children, we have to find this are equal. How it will become equal? Like one side we have kept book and other side what we will keep, what thing we will keep, that it will be equal. So one side if we have kept book, then other side it required 3 bananas. Exercise 3, fill in the box. You can see a BIM balance is there and we have already kept something. By seeing this you can do this, fill in the blanks. The bat weight same as dash ball. So this is a bat and how many balls are there that it will be same weight? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have written here 4. Then line lemons weight same as how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. Then 16 cherries weight same as how many oranges? 1 and 2. 2 oranges. Then 6 mangoes weight same as how many apples? Children count. 1, 2 and 3. 3 apples. Observe. Then come to exercise B. Observe the balance and fill in the blanks. You can see here is a BIM balance and by observing this you can do fill in the blanks. Weight of the cap is dash oranges. So you can see weight of the cap is how many oranges? 1, 2. I have written here 2. The next one is weight of the toy car is 3 oranges. So weight of the toy car is 3 oranges. Toy car 1, 2, 3. Then weight of the book is 3 bananas. So weight of the book is 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. Then weight of a book is 4 oranges. You can see weight of the book is 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. Hope children you have understood this exercise. And you have to complete this exercise 1, exercise 2 and 3 in your book itself.